Okay, so we're like 2 weeks into 2024, and I just feel like I need some inspiration in my life. I want to set some goals and intentions. In previous years, or I guess in the past, I don't want to say anti New Year's resolutions, but the years that I did make them and, these goals didn't happen, I just felt so defeated. So I stopped creating these overall goals, at least to like have within the specific time frame of a year. Like I need to get these things done. But last year I had the goal of making a short film by the end of the year. And when it was getting towards the end of the year, I actually did it. Like I was like, okay, I'm going to hit this goal. And sometimes having a time frame on your goals is necessary for you to actually get them done. So I think that's sort of my approach today. Before I was journaling in a book that I didn't really love and it made me not want to journal. So I got this on sale. So it was like moleskin, fancy notebooks, but I've also been really obsessed with the color red. I've been using Pinterest to find photos. Some goals I have this year. So like my ultimate goal is to really hone in on directing. Like that has always been my goal. It's funny because in film school, I have just a vivid memory of them being like, stop wanting to direct. You need to, it's like oversaturated, and maybe consider other paths. It's just when I feel like you're a filmmaker, maybe you automatically assume maybe I should direct. But I actually genuinely, this is what I want to do. And like, because my professor said that, it made me think, it's like, maybe I should try DPing. And I did that for a bit. And I only did it just for the sake of not wanting to want to direct. Forcing myself not want to direct. But every time I DP'd, it was fun, but I didn't love it. Although I love working on set in camera department, DPing is, it wasn't for me. Pinterest is the best. I've been really obsessed with these cute drawings with blurbs. I'm describing this quite terribly. I was discussing with my friends and my friend Jill. I was talking to her about this. How I always feel like I need to be hyper productive all the time and that I don't allow myself to relax. And this post really just spoke to me. I don't know. I'm going to put it on my vision board. Some goals. I want to travel more and do like travel photography or videography, or maybe make mini documentaries when I do travel. I'd like to read more. I find that I have been forcing myself to finish books because I have this issue of reading a million books all at the same time, or starting a book and then not finishing it. Because I've started forcing myself to read books that I don't actually want to read, it makes me not want to read. So I'm going to stop doing that as well. I want to keep up with working out. Working out is really important to me. Yeah, ever since I stopped taking medication, I found that working out has like really filled in those gaps. I don't know, it's been really good for my mental health, and I just want to keep up with it. So I'm already going to the gym a lot, but I just want to keep up with it. This year I am directing music videos for my cousin, which is very exciting. I have a lot of like little things I need to start doing, I guess, like making a treatment and a storyboard and a shot list. But I hope I get asked by more people, to direct music videos and commercials. I am working on directing a spec ad for Peak Design. I just ordered a bunch of Peak Design stuff today so that I can use them for the spec ad. But I'm hoping I can also like vlog process of creating that spec ad. I want to also socialize more. Like I think I do socialize quite a bit, but I hope to go to more networking events in film. I'm hoping starting up on YouTube will also give me more opportunities to network with other creatives maybe I can meet other filmmakers that are also on YouTube, or I don't know, something like that. This was actually a lot of fun. This was therapeutic. It felt like making crafts again. I mean, I just haven't done anything like this in a very, very long time, so that's fun. I feel like my journal's looking more lived in now. Well, that's kind of it for this video. I just thought it would be fun to have like a little like relaxing craft with me time. Craft with me video. I don't know. But yeah, thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.